Turkey Hill Experience. We are here at Turkey Hill and we are going to make ice cream today. So we're in the back and let me show you our setup in front of me. We have chocolate syrup, caramel, cream cheese, blueberry, strawberry, peach, butterscotch, pineapple, raspberry, and marshmallow. Oh, okay. And then down here, a little tiny one, strawberry, maple, cappuccino, wild berry, cotton candy, root beer, banana, cake batter, butter pecan, mint, cinnamon, coconut, pineapple, black raspberry, and coffee. All right. Ice cream. What flavor are you going to make?
I don't know what these are.
No, these down here make the flavor of your actual ice cream. Cotton candy and mint. You think cotton candy and mint go together?
No.
I don't think they go together.
I don't know. I just like
We're gonna have some interesting flavors today. Yeah. She loves mint chocolate chip ice cream, but she also loves cotton candy. She needs to make a choice. They sound kind of gross together. Cake batter, cotton candy, that'd be good. All right, this is our pint of ice cream. And I'm gonna just taste it without anything.
It does not look like.
It's good vanilla ice cream. I think I'm gonna go with a strawberry flavor. So, I don't know. I mean, I do love chocolate, but they have toppings over there. So I think I'm gonna go with a strawberry base. And then my mix-ins, I don't know, I might go all fruity. There's like a strawberry swirl, peach swirl, pineapple swirl. I might do those. And then go with some chocolate toppings or mix-ins. I'm going to do strawberry.
Now, do I mix it?
6,
Stand.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Stand.
All right. Now, stir it. Oh, mine needs a ton more. Ton more.
So if they don't have happy eyes, they need to make some adjustments on their ice cream. So everything depends on this. I don't want anyone else to use an EpiPen today. Today's for enjoying.
Oh my goodness.
For those of you that like M&Ms, ours called chocolate chips. Alright?
I can't taste strawberry at all.
So if you want them in your ice cream, do me a big favor. And make yourself a hole inside your ice cream. It'll stick right in somebody's organ.
Those are turning brown.
Those of you that are traveling with someone and you don't want them to have caffeine with you. Alright. Now guys, turn for our smaller friends, just stick to 3 or less. Now because they can't, they just get overzealous and fill their cup up and it tends to overflow. It's going to happen to you adults also in the room. So don't be surprised. If you look down and it is too full, just take your stick, push down the pieces before you fold it. That will keep it from overflowing into your lap. You might also consider taking a paper towel.
All right, Mom.
I have mint and chocolate sauce. I put that in it.
Yeah.
And spoiled.
That's why you gotta take a picture now. That's the base.
It'll just ruin the flavor.
Yum yum.
Everyone else, I know you're enjoying the chocolate mix. So we're going to get that in a few more seconds.
We need a bit of color in mine. All right, we're good. Let's go do the mix-ins. We gotta stir this in now.
What?
Alright, here's the thing. We do not want to mess up your ice cream. We just want to add a pop of flavor. Alright? So let's talk swirls and ripples. Now, step one is actually getting what you want on top of your ice cream. We're not going to stir this in. We're going to put it in.
This is mine.
This is mine.
That's Maria's.
It's mint with Oreos.
Yeah. Mint with Oreos.
This is Peyton's.
Cotton candy. Oh, snap. Blueberry.
Like with my spit?
Yes, I'm going crazy. I'm doing all the fruit ones. Here's peach. Ooh. Okay, we gotta do a little bit of raspberry.
Is it like what is it like snow puffs?
Right.
Yeah, I think
And now we mix it in.
that is a lot. We can do mine if so you didn't taste it. I did not.
Only three of you. All the rest of you doing? Well, I did clean
Alright, let's taste it.
So if you decide you want to use it, do me a favor, just put it
Mine's basically a milkshake.
on the floor, the place to spill. I haven't done the floor yet. I don't care if you just sweep it off the floor. Now, what you guys are enjoying, we're going to play a little bit of this now. So, let's see how this goes. Learn today how many different flavors of ice cream you guys have tried.
Oh, you can sample the tea. Yeah, sample the tea. You got zero sugar lemonade, sweet tea. Oh yeah, pomegranate. Oh, that's good. Raspberry iced tea. Oh, I love that raspberry tea. Strawberry, kiwi, lemonade. That is also very yummy. Mango. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna try the orange. Oh, I love the orange. legacy. Fred and Alice Frey began working on the farm near Turkey Hill, 1887. Interesting. All this stuff. Some old milk jugs. How much milk a family consumes? Oh my goodness, you can milk the cow. There's nothing in it. I think this room is supposed to represent a freezer with all the ice cream, that it's really cold. There's tons of fans in here. That's fun. I don't know what this button does. Top 12 ice cream flavors. Vanilla bean. Number 2 is chocolate mint, homemade vanilla, cookies and cream, Neapolitan, Dutch chocolate, original vanilla, chocolate chip cookie dough, peanut butter cup, black cherry, vanilla and chocolate, French vanilla. Let me know which one you prefer. Or if your preference isn't even on here. Didn't make the cut. Oh my goodness, you can try these.
I'll try the Dutch chocolate.
Black raspberry. Can I try the blueberry lemon pound cake, please?
There's some yellow in there. Oh, it's because of
Lemon blueberry pound cake. That is really neat. Now you can just try different flavors. I'm excited to try this. I love lemon. Got my little. These are big samples, man. Like.
Yeah, yeah.
These are big samples. We ate a pint already. All right. Oh. This is delicious. It tastes like cheesecake, I think. But I don't like cheesecake, but this is delicious. Lemon pound cake. This is the best. Ah. I need to buy this. Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. Mmm. This over here is like a giant ice cream bucket. I think this is really cool. There's like a little show, a little movie inside. I'm trying to back up. But like, there it is. That's really cute. Never knew about all the history of milk and ice cream and all that stuff. So this is the Turkey Hill brand. It was a pretty neat little place. We got to make some ice cream, got to taste flavors. I only tasted one because I had a whole pint of ice cream earlier that I made. And then all the different tea that I got to taste, the lemonade were really good. I love the mango, I love the raspberry, strawberry kiwi lemonade. Good stuff. Here in Pennsylvania, it's pretty fun. So, had a pretty great time down here. There's like a gift shop downstairs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.